Welcome to The Untold. Ekta Kapoor is one among the top Indian celebrities who started her career early in life and received huge success eventually. She is also known as a television producer, film producer, and a director. She has produced some popular movies like Azhar, Udta Punjab, Half Girlfriend, Dream Girl, and many more. Ekta is also known as a TRP queen because of her television shows like Pavitra Rishta, Bade Achhe Lagte Hain, Ye Hai Mohabbatein, Nagin, and other top grossing works which made several records in Indian television. Ekta is regarded as one of the most powerful ladies in the television industry and among the top 25 women entrepreneurs of India. In this video, we will tell you about 10 lesser known facts about Ekta Kapoor. Please watch the video till the last. Number 1. Ekta was born on June 7, 1975. She is the daughter of popular actor Jitendra and Shobha Kapoor. Comedy actor Tushar Kapoor is her younger brother. Ekta and other family members work collaboratively in most of their projects. She produced some movies and TV serials with her mother, acted by her brother Tushar Kapoor under the banner of their own company Balaji Motion Pictures. Number 2. Ekta Kapoor started her career at the age of 15 as an intern with ad and feature filmmaker Kailash Surendranath. She learned a lot about filmmaking and film industry by then itself. After obtaining financing from her father, she decided to become a producer. Parosan was her first produced television show, and Kyunki Main Jhoot Nahi Bolta, starring Govinda and Susmita Sen, was her debut produced film. Ekta Kapoor produced this film with her mother Shobha Kapoor. The film became a hit of the time and she started getting recognition after that. Number 3. Ekta is a big believer in astrology and numerology. She is also very spiritual and she is proud of it. She considers the alphabet K as a lucky alphabet, because of which a lot of her projects started with the alphabet K. Kumkum Bhagya, Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, and Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi are the few to name. She had changed the title of her movie Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Again to Once Upon a Time in Mumbai Dubara for numerological reasons. Number 4. Ekta Kapoor is headstrong, outspoken, and unafraid when it comes to putting her opinion across. That's why people refer to her as the Tigress. However, you will be surprised to know that there is someone in front of whom the Tigress cannot say a word. Well, it's not other than Tushar Kapoor's son Lakshya. The secret was revealed by Ekta Kapoor's best friend Rakshinda Khan. Rakshinda also said that Ekta was not so calm earlier, but even since Lakshya came into her life, she has changed completely. Number 5. Ekta Kapoor is 44 and single. However, she became a mother to a baby boy in 2019 via surrogacy and shocked the world with the news. This news came 3 years after brother Tushar Kapoor had opted for surrogacy and became a father. Actor's baby was born on January 27 and she named him Ravi after her father's name Ravi Kapoor. Number 6. Actress turned politician Smriti Irani is the closest friend of Ekta Kapoor. Before Smriti Irani was in politics, she worked with Ekta on one of the popular TV shows Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, which made her overnight sensation. They also share a strong bonding. Smriti Irani and Ekta Kapoor were also seen together, sharing loving relations and spending quality time with their son Ravi. Number 7. Ekta considers herself as a feminist. She believes one should not underestimate a girl. According to her, because the woman is in sari doesn't mean that she cannot shoot a gun. Women can do anything and achieve everything. Keeping which in mind, she started producing TV shows, movies and web series that explores different dimensions of women. Movies like Lipstick Under My Burqa and Love, Sex or Dhokha are some of the few women-centric work by Ekta Kapoor. Number 8. Ekta Kapoor is one of the few or maybe only producer who has worked with all three industries, Bollywood, TV and web. Ekta has launched 40 web series on her official app Alt Balaji. Number 9. Ekta Kapoor is not only successful as a producer but has also ventured into the fashion department. According to reports, Ekta has launched a fashion label EK. Speaking about the same, Ekta said, I have always looked to venture into new territories, and with my label, I hope to reach out to women across the country. EK is an endeavor to make fashion accessible and affordable. Number 10. Recently, Ekta Kapoor came into controversy because of a web series Triple X Uncensored, which was an adult web series produced by her venture Alt Balaji. The series contains some questionable content that disrespects the Indian Army and their family, because of which several people filed FIR against the producer. Later she removed a specific episode from the streaming app. That's all covering this video guys, I hope you loved it. Please like, comment and subscribe to The Untold for regular contents like this.